In this video, we'll show you how to cancel autopay in Netflix. To get started, go ahead and open Netflix on your device. You can also do this with your browser by accessing Netflix on your browser and signing into your Netflix account. Now, once you're signed in into your account, head over into the My Netflix section. Hit on the top right of your screen and click on that account button. Now, in here, you'll get redirected into this section where you'll be able to find your personal information along with your membership and billing information. So, you cannot actually cancel autopay on Netflix. You can only cancel your subscription to be able to stop autopay services. Just go ahead and click on that cancel membership button to cancel your membership on Netflix. The autopay feature of Netflix is a built-in feature that you cannot change. This allows Netflix to ensure that you don't forget to pay your next bill. And that is how you can simply cancel autopay on Netflix. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.